Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Star, T plus rec, trek. Stop it. Star, T plus rec, trek. Star Trek. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Art. Hi, everyone, and welcome again to our program. Joining us again for the second consecutive day, these two young people, lovely lady on my right, won the game on our last program, picked up over $3,000 in prizes. You're looking at Lisa Lord. Hello, Lisa.
Hi, Alex. Good to see you again.
Thank you. There's someone special in your life, isn't there?
That's right. My husband, Kevin.
Yeah?
Love of my life.
Now, tell me about these three dogs.
Well, we have a habit of taking home stray animals.
Really?
And, right. All three of them are stray.
Small, big?
Beagle named Boo Boo, a Sheltie Cross named DOG, and a 90-pound Rottweiler named Max.
Whoa.
Big boy. He's only 9 months old, too. So
Rottweiler.
He's still growing.
Whoa.
He's
Good
a
guard
sweetheart.
dogs. Good guard
Yeah.
dogs. They're great
he's a
with
baby.
kids, too.
That's right.
They eat them.
No.
No, I shouldn't
We get
have
a
said
bad rap. It's the owners.
I know. I should not have said that because all the Rottweiler owners out there and
That's
breeders
right. You're
will
going
say,
to get letters.
yeah, oh, picking on a I love Rottweilers. I would love them. And you're facing the same opponent as
right.
yesterday. His name is Jorge Briseño.
That's right. How you doing,
Do you have any dogs?
A Chihuahua. I got my mom a Chihuahua for her birthday, and that's about as much trouble as 3 big dogs. So
That little Chihuahua?
yeah, trust me.
Okay.
Everything.
Well, we've got a great vacation lined up in this game. Hear about it now.
You could have a swinging good time dancing, swimming, or just lying in a hammock on the tropical island of Tahiti. We'll fly you and a guest from Los Angeles to Tahiti, and you'll spend 3 nights on Tahiti and 3 nights on Moorea at the elegant Beachcomber Park Royal Hotels. Luxurious accommodations in a lush tropical setting, fine dining, exotic entertainment, and the vibrant beauty of Tahiti, furnished by the Beachcomber Park Royal Hotels.
Boy, didn't that look appealing? Even the photograph looks sensational. Let's show Lisa and Jorge where we will find the Tahitian vacation at number 1. Easy to remember. Jorge, you go first.
All righty, we're gonna go to Tahiti this time. Dead center, number 13.
Color TV.
Color TV, all right, can use that. Right next to it, number 14.
Crystal gift certificate. Didn't work. Lisa.
Okay, like number 10, please. And how about 21?
An entertainment center does not match with a crystal gift certificate. Jorge.
Okay, I think we saw that at number 14. And number 21 for the match.
That's right. First match goes to the challenger. He's got 1 strike against him. He has to win this game to stay alive. 2 doors will open for Jorge's benefit. Select again.
Okay, let's try a wild card on number 20, please.
Color
Color
TV.
TV, we saw it on number 13, right?
You bet. That's a good selection. That's a good match for you.
All right.
Open these 2 doors.
Can't make it out yet.
All right, cool.
Okay, let's get some more matches. Number 11, please. All right,
Green
and
take.
over in the corner, number 5.
No, a water filter system. Lisa?
Like
the beagle's name's Boomer?
Boo Boo.
Boo Boo. Boo Boo, yes. The beagle named Boo Boo.
That's right.
Strange people.
You don't want to know why.
Okay.
Okay, number 3, please.
Entertainment center?
I believe that was under number 10.
Yes. Take a look. See what you can make of this.
Too soon.
Yeah. Pick
Let's
again.
try the left-hand side. Number 6.
Diamond and pearl earrings.
Oh, that sounds great. How about right below it, 16?
There's a wild card for you. The other diamond and pearl earrings are on the board right next to it at number 17. 3 panels. Swing them open, please, for Lisa. Select.
Can I see number 12?
Trash compactor.
Number 23 for the match?
No, that's a red take. You see, in my home, I am the trash compactor.
Human trash compactor.
Yes. Okay, you say.
All right, let's go number 25 in the corner, please.
Trash compactor.
And number 12 for the match, was it?
Yep. You win this, I come to your home and mash your trash.
I'll be fine.
Let's swing them open for Jorge.
Oh.
Pick again.
Confused. Okay, number 18, please.
His and her backpacks.
Oh, okay, and right on that, number 23.
No, red take. Lisa?
I'd like to see what's behind number 9.
Green take.
And number 11 for the match.
Right. You can use it now or save it till later. Got some good stuff up there.
I think I'll save it.
Yeah?
I think I'll save it.
All right. No. She's saving
I have
it.
spoken.
She listened to you, that young girl in the front row. She listened to you, and she saved it. Open the panels, please. Select again.
Number 7?
Red take.
Was that number 23?
Red take. Well, now she may want to use one of these. What are we going for?
I'll take the crystal.
Crystal gift certificate?
That's right.
All right.
I didn't get much for my wedding.
You didn't? How come?
All my friends are poor. I got crock pottery, all sorts of weird, strange, unusual gifts. Nothing.
But do you use them?
Nice.
Were those weird, strange, unusual gifts?
Most of them broke.
Oh.
Yeah.
You know,
and the move.
This will come as a great shock to you, but crystal breaks also.
I know, but now we're settled. We're not going to be doing any moving.
But when a $125 crystal goblet breaks, it affects you a lot more than a $14.95 crock pot.
That is true. I'll keep that in mind.
I want you to. Let's open these two doors for Lisa Lord.
May I cut in?
Is that what you'd like to do?
Yes.
May I cut in, says Lisa Lord. And she is absolutely right. Jorge knew it. Couldn't get on track against her. Sorry about that. Come on, Lisa. She's good, she's fast, sharp, and she can explain the puzzle.
Okay, I got May and I pretty easy. I was waiting for this. Cut and the 10 for in. Cut in. May I cut in?
So you knew the may I right off the bat?
I knew the may I 10. There's a little...
May I 10.
I had to think about
may
that.
I get 10? Jorge, second strike against you. Sorry about that.
Good luck, Lisa.
Sorry.
Good luck to you. Take
Thank
care,
you.
Jorge. So long. Ready to hear about your prizes?
Oh,
All righty. Tell her all about them, please, Art.
Lisa, you have diamond pearl earrings, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select diamond pearl earrings or other top name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores furnished by Service Merchandise. And a crystal gift certificate, an Oneida gift certificate for your choice from an elegant collection of full lead, mouth-blown, hand-cut crystal featuring stemware, barware, and giftware furnished by Oneida. And an entertainment center. Bassett brings to you one of the most beautiful entertainment centers designed to conveniently house all your video components for your enjoyment. Furnished by Bassett.
All right. And you get to play for the car again after this commercial. Is on?
Not really. I don't have any strikes. So.
That's right. You're going to play for
Relax,
another
have a
2
good
games,
time.
unless you win a car right now, and then it's
That'd be
goodbye.
great.
Yeah, wouldn't it? 15 numbered squares for you, and 40 seconds on the clock. Good luck. Go to work.
1, 2.
No.
4, 5.
No.
7, 8. 10, 11.
No.
10, 2.
Yes.
13, 14. 4, 3.
No.
6, 14.
No.
8, 9.
No.
11, 12.
No.
11, 6.
No.
15, 7. 4, 11.
No.
5, 15.
No. Yes.
1.
You know where you lost it? I'll tell you exactly where you lost it. You picked 13 and 14, and they didn't match. And then you picked 4, which matched with 14. And you paused for just a moment. You went 4, and instead of saying 14, you said 4, 3. And from that moment on,
Downhill.
you were downhill, and it was like,
know.
let's send out a search party for Lisa, because we don't know where she is, and she doesn't know where the cars are. That's okay. You've got over $5,000 in prizes, and as you said, no strikes, so you're playing again. You might be here again. Break time. way I see it, Lisa didn't want to win the car in the last round because she knows she's got no strikes against her. She's going to be here for at least 2 more games. She wants to win some more prizes.
Right.
If she's going to win some prizes in this game, she'll have to win them at this man's expense. Our newcomer is Mark Widger. Welcome aboard, Mark.
How you doing, Alex?
I'm okay. Now, where are you from?
Well, I just moved here from Fresno. I spent a tour in the Marine Corps, and now I'm a chef.
Chef, good for you. My dad was a chef. Do you specialize in anything?
Oh, I can do nouveau French cuisine.
Yeah? He was a pastry chef primarily. Good desserts. I had a wonderful youth, believe me. All right, let's go to work and play game number 2. I'm going to use a phrase from the Bible. Let there be light. And there was.
A decorator's dream. This exclusive Murray Feist design chandelier is crafted of beveled mirror diamonds and panels with clear glass spears. 23 candelabra sockets illuminate this beauty. Furnished by Murray Feist Import Corporation. Alex?
Where will we find the chandelier? At number 16, because this is our second game, as you know, Mark. We have the bonus seconds in this game. We have the cash pot. It's up to $800. And we have a holiday in Lake Tahoe, but just 1 wild card. You select first, please, Mark.
Let's start off with number 9, please.
9's a good place to begin because it has a red take.
And let's try to find a match of that red take on number 20.
No, hot air balloon ride. Lisa?
Can I see the center? Number 13?
Green take.
And number 1?
Home business package. Mark?
Let's try number 12, please.
Living room ensemble.
How about the match for that under number 4?
Home business package. No match, but 1 coming up for Lisa.
I think we saw that under number 1.
Yes.
And number 4 for the match.
Mm-hmm.
What's that?
See, if you slurred a word like that when you were acting, they'd just say, cut,
right.
Let's do it again.
Retake.
Retake. We don't do retakes here. Let's take a look, Lisa. Select again.
Number 7?
Diamond necklace.
Ooh, and let's see number 18.
There's a wild card. Nice prize.
my earrings.
Go with your earrings?
That's right.
All right. The other diamond necklace on the board in the lower left-hand corner at 21, so we will open 3 doors for Lisa.
It's busy.
Yeah, as opposed to some of our puzzles which have a great amount of blue in the perimeter and just a few symbols in the middle. This one, you're right, does look very busy. Select again.
Number 10.
Massage table.
And number 11.
5 bonus car seconds. No match, Mark.
Okay, how about number 24, please?
Man's complete wardrobe.
That would be nice. How about number 6?
Living room ensemble. No match. Lisa?
Bottom corner, please, number 25.
Red take.
Oh, we saw that. Was it number 3?
Crystal chandelier. Mark?
How about number 9, please?
Red take.
And number 25.
Red take. Here it is. She has the home office package and the diamond necklace.
I'm going to take the diamond necklace, please, Alex.
Oh, dog
Yes.
you.
Who is the diamond necklace intended for?
Oh, I have a couple friends that'll probably want it.
You have, what are you going to do? Throw it in the middle of the room and say, hey,
compete for it.
Fight for it?
That's right.
All right. We won't name those 2 friends. Let's just open the 2 panels for Mark. Select again.
Okay, how about number 19?
Man's complete wardrobe.
And number 20?
Hot air balloon ride. Lisa.
Can I have number 3?
Crystal
And
chandelier.
Number... Oh, no. 16?
Yes.
Oh, just in the nick of time.
Yes, just in the nick of time. What was going through your mind? What were the numbers that were
I knew it was on the
popping in?
left-hand side. I just wasn't sure if it was 6 or 16.
Well, you came up with the right selection. That's
sweet
good news
16.
for you. It's a lovely prize, and it keeps you alive in this round. And you get a look at the puzzle now. And it's still busy. Pick again.
Number 14?
Cash pot.
And number 11?
No, the bonus seconds are there. Mark.
How about number 10, please?
Massage table.
And number 13?
No, that's green take. Lisa.
Can I see number 17?
Hot air balloon ride.
And I think that was behind number 20.
Yes. Another match. Another look. Pick again.
Number 12.
Living room ensemble.
Number 22 for the match?
No, green take.
Oh.
Mark.
Let's see if I can find where that green take is. Was that number 13?
Yes.
And number 22.
Yes.
I think I'll hold on to it.
Obviously, there's nothing up there that appeals to you.
Not really, Alex.
All right. Open the panels.
Okay, I
again.
need to see what's under number 23.
Massage table.
And number 12.
Oh, no. That's the living room ensemble. Lisa.
Was that table under number 10?
Yes.
And number 23 for the match?
Correct. That's the combination that works. That's the one Mark was looking for. 2 panels swinging open for Lisa. Go again.
I'd like to see what's behind number 6.
Living room ensemble.
Oh, I can't remember. Number 19?
Nope. Man's complete wardrobe there. Mark.
Can I have number 12, please?
That's the ensemble.
And number 6.
Yes, for the living room. How about this tape here, Mark?
I'll take the home office package.
Home office package coming Mark's way, and 2 panels swinging open to reveal a little bit more of the puzzle for him. Pick again.
How about number 11, please?
5 bonus seconds.
And number 15.
5 bonus seconds. This is a great game. Open it up.
Is it Blue Moon of Kentucky?
He says, is it Blue Moon of Kentucky? And by golly, Mark Widger is right. Blue Moon of Kentucky. Come on, Mark. Nicely done.
Okay, we have the paint there pointing at the blue, the moon, plus the N, Blue Moon of Kentucky. Right here in the key. Blue Moon of Kentucky.
That's all right. You did well. You solved it. You explained it pretty well also. Turn around here and face the camera for a moment. We'll say goodbye to Lisa, but she's going to be
For
back.
now.
She's just got her first stripe. So we'll see you again,
Okay,
young
you
lady.
bet.
And Mark, you're a winner. You got some prizes coming your way. Let's hear about them right now. Art, if you please.
Mark, you've got a diamond necklace and a home business package. Panasonic's deluxe business package with electronic typewriter, voice-activated micro-cassette recorder, and transcriber dictating machine furnished by Panasonic. A living room ensemble, part of Lloyd Flanders' Heirloom Series. Love seat, lounge chair, and end table. Man-made, all-weather wicker furniture pieces are designed for use indoors or out, furnished by Lloyd Flanders. And, of course, the 5 bonus car seconds for a prize package worth $2,194.
That's pretty good going, Mark. And you're going to have 40 seconds on the clock when we come back following this commercial break. All right, Mark's excited. He should be. He's won some prizes, defeated Lisa. That's tough in itself. And now he gets his first opportunity to play for one of these beautiful automobiles. Let's put the 15 squares up there. Base time, of course, is 35 seconds, but you know you got the bonus, and that means you're dealing with a full 40 seconds on the clock. So go for it, Mark. Good luck.
1, 2,
No,
4, 5,
no,
7, 8,
no,
7, 4,
no.
7, 5,
Right.
10, 11,
No,
13, 14,
no,
2, 14,
no,
1, 14,
no,
12, 9,
no.
12, 1,
Yes.
3, 9,
No,
3, 11,
no,
4, 11,
no,
4, 15,
no,
2, 15,
no.
10, 9.
It's strange. You were going very quickly, and I wonder if that may have caused problems for you. You're calling 2 numbers off at the same time and going so fast that it's hard to keep track of where you've been because you missed a couple of matches early
Sure.
on. But that's all right. Hey,
Hey, I'll come back here again, try
Yeah,
that.
your first time up, you had 40 seconds. You can make it up into the winner's circle again. In addition to the $2,194 in prizes, you'll have 45 seconds on the clock. So we'll take a break right now, and we'll come back. But first, we want to hear about this prize from Art.
Some of today's participants may receive. Get the most out of your next party with the revolutionary Konica Conpai camera, one of the world's first voice-activated cameras that automatically takes pictures in response to sound. Furnished by Konica. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
You know, I'm amazed by one of the prizes that we had just a few moments ago. Art was talking about that camera that operates off sound. They've got 3D 35mm cameras now.
They're getting really advanced.
Pretty soon, you won't have to pose, you won't have to do anything. You just phone in and they'll send you pictures of yourself and your family. All right, we're going to take a break for a day and we'll come back tomorrow. See you then.
This is Art James speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.